What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day and staying safe. So the gyms are still closed. The pandemic's not over, gyms are still closed, so I'm still working out at home. On Fridays though, where I am at the moment, is beautiful weather during the winter time. And on Fridays I come to this lovely park. It has a lot of pull-ups, a lot of monkey bars, not much equipment, but you have to get creative. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys on how you guys can do a good outdoor back day with a resistance band. And there's a lot of things you can do with it. So I'm going to go ahead and start this workout, and I'll do a commentary over it because there is a lot of kids that come here while I work out. Bruh. It is what it is at the moment. So yeah, let's get cooking, let's get working out. Don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. If you guys want to see more of these videos, just let me know in the comments and just smash that like button and then we'll get more of these videos up and running. Let's get down to it. Alrighty, so usually on my back day I do deadlifts, but there's no gym obviously, so I do pull-ups, 3 sets of it for 10 reps, and it gets my back nice and warmed up and ready. But if you guys can't do pull-ups easily with the resistance band, just grab the 2 sides and just put one side over and just grab it just like that, as you guys can see in the video, and just pull it down. It mimics more of a lat pull down than anything, but yet it's still so good. I mean the stretch is not the best when you guys are standing and doing it, but the squeeze is amazing. The squeeze is absolutely amazing. You do get a nice pump from it, you do get a nice burn from it. It's very simple. If you guys want more resistance, just get on your knees. This way you get more of a stretch and it's more resistance really. I would do this about like 3 to 4 sets for about 10 to 12 reps, and you know the burning feeling is amazing, the stretching feeling is okay, but the squeeze is amazing. The second exercise I like to do here is a rows. Now I like to get the as you guys see in the video, I like to get the rope or the band and just put it across just like that. Start doing some rows just like that with a good form obviously, and it's a great squeeze. I do this for about 3 to 4 sets for 10 to 12 reps. Sometimes it does get easy to do. When it does get easy, all you gotta do is just step back a bit, and there you go, you have more resistance and you get a good stretch. Well, the stretch is okay, but the squeeze is very nice. What I like to do instead for a better stretch, I like to do them one arm, because it's just that the fact that I can pull the resistance band all the way back, I can step more back, I'm more free. This is how I do it. You just put it over, making sure that it doesn't fling in your face and it's on an angle, so that thing doesn't just fling right in your face and leaves a mark, because sometimes that happens if you're not too careful with the resistance band. And if you guys want more resistance to it, step back a little bit. The stretch you get on this exercise is absolutely amazing. This is honestly one of my favorite exercises to do, rather than the 2-arm rows. This is honestly, the stretch is amazing, the squeeze is amazing, and I think the reason why I'm sore a few days later is because of this particular exercise. And I will do this superset with other exercises as well. Now moving on to the third exercise here, and it's a single arm row. Now the resistance band didn't really work on this. What I do on Fridays, I would come to the park with this 15 kilos dumbbell set that I have, and I will just do rows with this. And 15 kilos is not that heavy at all. It's just literally my warm-up set, 10 to 12 reps each arm, and I would superset this with one of those resistance band training, mainly the single arm rows. Gets the best stretch, gets the best burnout, and honestly my back feels like it's about to explode. And you know what, guys, the gyms are so close, so you have to do whatever it takes to maintain. I know I lost a little bit of muscle, but you have to do as much as you can just to maintain as much as you can. Until the gyms are back open, we have to try our best to keep in shape, so when we do go back to the gym, we don't have to start from zero again. That's the main reason, that's the main purpose of these workouts. I'm not trying to get big or anything, I'm just trying to maintain as much as possible. Now the last exercise I like to do is a lat push down, and this is how you do it. So you get the resistance band just like that, and you flip one over, and then the loops, you just put one loop into the other as you see in the video, and you just pull up the other loop. That's it, and it's nice and sturdy. And then all you gotta do is just make sure that the stance is a little bit further than shoulder grip. Stick your butt out and do what you would do normally with a lat push down through the cables, and you would just do that, and you do get a good squeeze to it. But if you guys go on your knees, you get a better resistance and a better stretch. Obviously it's not the same as a cable, but it does do the trick, and the stretch does feel really good. The burnout here is amazing. Just go high reps and until you can't do anymore. And the last exercise I'm going to do is a bicep curl or a crucifix curl. I know it's back day, but I do like to mix my back and biceps together. As demonstrated in the video, you just do it like that so it doesn't get flinged at you, and you would just step back and you would just do how you would do a crucifix bicep curl with a cable. Just bring it until you feel the squeeze and then the stretch as well. Amazing pump, amazing feel to it. Honestly, I don't think there was much of a difference when I used this with the crucifix cable in the actual gym, so it feels amazing. 3 to 4 sets to failure, both arms. You'll have a great, fantastic pump and a great burnout. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's pretty much my back workout. It's usually longer than usual. My back workouts are typically an hour, but because it's, you know, you have to use a lot of resistance band and a lot of your own body weight, I am here for about 90 minutes. But it's worth it. I'm sore for about 3-4 days after. I'm pretty satisfied, and I'm sure you guys will be too. Don't forget to like, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, and I shall see you guys in the next video. Peace.